आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hey guys, we have a question. Find the time required for a cylindrical tank of 2.5 meter and height 3 meters to empty through a round hole of 2.5 centimeter radius with velocity of 2.5 root h, h being the depth of the water in the tank. So let us consider a cylindrical tank of height 3 meters and radius 2.5 meters. Here, let us consider this tank to be filled and let's consider this tank for a smaller time interval dt. When the height of water in the tank reduces by an amount of dh as the tank was leaking through a hole. Now, for this decreased volume of water will be equal to the volume flown out of the tank due to that hole. So, the volume of decreased water will be equal to pi r square dH. This volume will also be equal to the volume of water flown out, which will be equal to pi r square into dl, where dl is the length of this, where we have considered the water coming out from the hole will be flowing in a cylindrical manner for the sake of simplicity of finding volume of this outside water. So dl will be equal to speed into time, where speed is 2.5 root h and time is dt. Now plugging these values here, we got pi 2.5 square dh is equals to pi 0.025 square 2.5 root h dt. Here we got dh by dt is equals to minus 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 4 dt. Here note that we have put minus sign here because rate of decreasing of height with respect to time was negative as height was decreasing. So we have got dh by root h is equals to minus 2.5 dt into 10 raised to power minus 4. Integrating both sides with respect to the given dh and dt, we got 2 root h on left hand side is equals to minus 2.5 10 power minus 4 into t plus some integration constant. Let us call this constant as c. Now we are given that at time equals to 0 when the leaking was not started, height of the water was maximum, that is 3. Plugging these values here, we got c as 2 root 3. Now we have to find the time when height will be 0, that is the water in the tank left will be 0. Plugging these values back here in this equation, we got time is equals to 2 root 3 divided by 2.5 10 power minus 4. Solving this, we got this is equals to 8000 root 3 seconds. So after the time interval of this thing, the tank would be empty.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।